Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review HoneyBook. I'm going to look on the walkthrough. I'm going to talk to you about pricing plans. Then we are going to look on advantages and disadvantages that I personally see in HoneyBook. Also, I'm going to talk to you about alternatives that you can use. And that's pretty much it in this video, and the features HoneyBook has. Now, I must say, like straight from the beginning, that HoneyBook is an amazing software that you can use. So when you would come here, just when you would open the app and go to the tools, you see the scheduling, the tasks, the time tracking, reports. So you're gonna find a lot of tools. And there comes the first disadvantage, is that it can get overwhelming when you first enter it and you want to understand it. Because let's say there is a calendar, right? It's simple to use. You enter it, you go there. There are like plenty of apps, Clockify with the time tracking. You click there, okay, you create a project, and you're good to go. But with the HoneyBook, where you have everything all at once, and it's good, it's very well made, and they're all the time improving the software, it can get overwhelming at first. So just get ready for it. And I'm going to also show you a little bit in a walkthrough, and I created the whole tutorial on how you can use the HoneyBook, so you can find the link down below in the description. If I didn't add it there, let me down in the comments, all right? Now, my always recommendation, guys, is try the software by yourself, always. So open HoneyBook and see how you feel there. And this is really important because I have like good experience from project management, is that when someone don't know about if the project management is going to be good for them, I always recommend jump there, try it out and see it for yourself. If you feel okay using it, then learn there. But if you feel something like, this is not for me, then don't use it. And it doesn't matter what anyone is going to say about the tool. It's not for me. And that's okay, because you have your own life, your own truth on how you live your life, and you shouldn't let anyone tell you how you should do things. That's also applied to me. Like, you don't have to listen to me, but you can if you want, if you feel like it, right? So that's the first thing what I wanted to share with you. Now, when we jump to the pricing plans, I want to show you pricing plans. You're gonna find two pricing plans. Really great thing is that you're gonna find a free trial, so you can try the HoneyBook by yourself. That's a big thumbs up. And then you're gonna have the unlimited monthly and unlimited annual. So you see the unlimited monthly, where you have access to all features, no limit on transactions, unlimited support, add unlimited team members, or you can go with annual. Now, for like some, if you still don't have any, let's say, if you're just really starting out and you don't have a lot of orders, you don't have a lot of consultations, whatever you do, maybe this can get too high for you. But if you already have a business and you want to have simplified things, HoneyBook is a good choice. I really believe in that. And I'm not paid by HoneyBook, so that's important to say. Now, when we go to the HoneyBook, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the advantages and disadvantages that I personally see. The biggest advantage, in my opinion, is like the lot of features, and if you understand them, you're going to be well off. Also, if you're going to master HoneyBook, it's going to be perfect tool for you. And then disadvantages, that the complexity, as I meant, and the pricing plan. There are like two only disadvantages that I personally see. Other than that, HoneyBook team is always working on HoneyBook. So when I come here, what I can find here, when you're going to enter HoneyBook, you're going to find on the left side, I will look if you can see the left side, as start from project, client, smart file. Then you see need to set up your account here. Then you can simply click on a project and you would find all the projects. So you can create a new project. And I can, let's say, YouTube channel, and I don't have any lead source right now, let's say Google, and I can add a date. So create a project, and then you can add participants, right? And voila, here you got project. But in the moment when you enter project and create it, you can see, I'm going to disable camera now, you can see there are a lot of stuff here. So you see, maybe it will get overwhelming. So I can add a notes, I can add a time tracker, I can simply add even the tasks here. So create YouTube thumbnail, right? Add a task. Then I'm going to have more options. I can have related workspaces, and I can have automations. So then what I can do, I can also see the tools, and let's click more, and I can have the scheduling here, the tasks, the time tracker. So I can simply click log your time, and let's say I'm going to work on a YouTube video, number of hours, hourly rate. So let's say it's 5, hourly rate is 10, 41, like let's say, select the project. I'm going to have YouTube channel, save entry, and voila. And this is how you can do it. Now if you don't log time, you can simply create an invoice. And again, I can add the YouTube channel invoice, and next create invoice. And here you can simply also create invoices, right? So even here that you can take care of the invoices, you can take it to here of payments and everything. So that's really good. Now when you go even to tools again, I can simply go and reports, and in reports you're gonna have all the payments made, everything what happened in your HoneyBook account. So that's another thing what you can do. Now when you go and enter, you can go again to tools, and you can also have the contact form. So in the contact form you can easily add things like phone number, email, full name. What did you hear about us? Tell me more about the project. And that's how we're gonna like edit it here. So as you can see, it's quite complex what you can do here, but again, you can achieve a lot. So that's pretty good. Now, if you're gonna have any questions regards HoneyBook or your own thoughts on HoneyBook, let me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to hear your own opinion on it. I'll be really happy to see. So thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. To summarize this video, I wanted to do that also. It's a great tool. I recommend using it. You're not going to make a mistake if you use it. So, yep.